Welcome to Programmers Divine. So this is topic about is Little Talk. So we are going to speak about Scala and JVM. Do you know? So Scala source code can be compiled into Java bytecode and running on Java virtual machine only. So Scala doesn't have any specific compiler or a specific running tool to run its code. So it is running on the JVM itself. So for running a Scala application, we need Java setup and JVM setup. And we can also use Scala to compile directly JavaScript to run into a browser. That is also available. JDK 8, 11, 17 and 21 are all reasonable choices for compiling and running Scala code. So in above all the JVMs JDK setups, we can use our Scala. So it is compiled and converted to bytecodes, and it is very safe to use also. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Divine. Please subscribe my channel.